I found that my mosquito racket getting discharged very quickly, even if the charging of the 1 or 2 hours. So I came to find a solution for that in home itself. So just let's see how to repair. So here is a lithium ion cell, which is a 3.7 volt battery, 2000 milliampere hours. So I got it from my old laptop battery. Similarly, you can get it from the old power bank. So power bank also includes the same type of batteries. That's my old mi power bank, and it includes these batteries. So you can get easily from one of these batteries from the old laptop battery or power bank. Then you will need and solder for unscrewing. First, ensure that your switch is in off position. To avoid any shock. So now I am going to unscrew the So this is the what you see after the unscrewing. So don't try to touch these parts. First check whether there is any current or not. Ensure that your switch is off before doing anything. Okay. So here what I have already replaced old battery of racket with the lithium ion battery which I got from one of my old laptop battery. So first of all you need to check that your old Mosquito racket battery is in working condition or not. So if you attach the LED, you will see that the LED is not glowing. So to ensure your new battery is in the working condition, first check out that your battery is in working or not. Ensure your positive terminal of the LED connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So here I have checked that my lithium ion battery is healthy and I can use it in racket. So what you have to do is remove this old battery from your racket and just do the connection of the as shown. So you will get one wire which goes to the negative terminal and one wire in circuit which goes to the positive terminal. So you have to do only that. You have to connect the positive terminal of the lithium ion battery to this positive wire and negative terminal of the battery to the negative terminal. So you need a soldering. So if you have a soldering gun, then do soldering carefully, or otherwise you need to get it soldered from outside. So here I have replaced my old battery with the lithium ion and ensure that you have to do the proper insulation at the bottom side as 40 volt comes, and ensure your battery is fix with the tape or glue gun. Ensure that the soldering is done properly. Here you can see now the soldering is done properly. Top with the sellotape, not the sellotape, and electric insulation tape. And now place the battery properly. Here I have used the extra wire for the positive terminal. I soldered one extra wire as the existing wire was a short. Now ensure that you have placed the battery properly. Fix the battery. So here you can see. Now I have used the insulation tape at the bottom side connector. Ensure that you have sealed the top and bottom. Now it's time to check. I will just do it turn on. Let's see whether it's working or not. So here you can see it's working. So we will test with the tester whether it's working or not. So here you can see it's very powerful. So now let's assemble. Before assembling this, you will need to do some soldering. You need to remove some extra material from here, from the bottom side, to ensure that the lithium ion cell gets fixed. So I have removed the extra plastic from the here. So here it is fully prepared lithium ion racket. Ensure first whether it gets fixed perfectly. Okay, so here now you can see the bat is working. and you can feel the power of the battery.